Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. You can see here a nice canvas and it's an uneven structure. The wooden frame, which is not a particular shape, so the shape is just somewhat irregular, but this is also going to be a nice painting and you can use it like a showpiece for your drawing room decoration. So you can see different colors on the top. So after putting the colors, you can just put the brushes like this one to mix up the colors and the easy transitions from one color to the another one. So this is how you can see we're going to draw the sky, and you can see the multi-color. So hopefully this is going to be the evening sky, and this is the separation points with the sea, and this is skyline and this is the sea line. So you can see the division lines with a nice black thick lines here, and we're going to draw only a simple scenery. There's going to be a boat here and monochromatic color we're going to use. So let's use the dark blue, or sometimes we call it the navy blue color. So for the boat, we're just going to draw a curved line like this one. So follow the steps. Okay, and we're going to make it the pointy on the two edges for the left side and the right side, and it's getting the shape of a nice boat. So for the brushes, you're going to use the pointy brush, very smaller one. Okay, so after the boat is done, just put some shadow on the water like me I'm drawing right now. So shadows is going to show the reflections, and if you want to draw a sail here, just draw a straight line to the top, and this is going to touch the boat here. Okay, and a curved line just going to meet up here to the edge of the other side of the board and connect it here. Okay, then we're going to put the colors for the sails here, which is going to be the dark blue. Okay, and another rope, this is going to be on the top part, on the front portion, and the main stick in the middle, you can see here, quite thick. Okay, all right, and it is connected somehow in this point. So this is it, very simple scenery. Okay. Mm-hmm. So we're putting the thicker color, more thicker. Okay, so here in this point, if you want to put some white color, then we can make some color variations. So we're going to use these types of brush and taking a smaller portion of white color, which we're going to put here in this segment. Okay, so for the sail in the middle. All right, so you can see the border portion and the sail moving nice, and again we're going to put the darker color to draw the border. Okay, somehow we need to draw the curve again. So you can see the racks for the sails, which is going to be a nice characteristics, and this is the line. So that's it, very simple drawing. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and do practice at home. Do simple sceneries like this one, and the paint is going to be very easy and going to be very interesting. Thanks for watching, see you in our next videos. Have a good day.